Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best coleslaw salad. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh, crisp cabbage and carrots, along with a high-quality mayonnaise for that creamy base. We'll also prepare a simple yet flavorful dressing using common pantry staples. This guide will help you create a delicious side dish that's perfect for any meal, ensuring a delightful balance of sweet and tangy flavors. Next, let's focus on preparing our vegetables for optimal texture. You'll want to finely shred 1 medium head of green cabbage and about 1/2 cup of carrots. For an added layer of flavor and crunch, consider including 1/4 cup of finely diced onion. After shredding, lightly salt your vegetables and let them rest for approximately 15 minutes. This crucial step helps draw out excess moisture, preventing a watery coleslaw. Now let's craft the heart of our coleslaw, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For a subtle yet zesty kick that elevates the flavor, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix until everything is perfectly smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for that perfect coleslaw. Before mixing, gently squeeze any excess water from your salted vegetables. This ensures a crisp, not soggy result. Then, in a large bowl, combine your prepared dressing with the shredded vegetables. Mix thoroughly until everything is evenly coated. For the best flavor, chill your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those delicious ingredients to meld beautifully. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.